I'm going to give you a box of water everybody, and with this water now we start to press, to kneading, to hard, like anti-stress. Okay, make a hole in the center, madam, with a large bowl in the center. This. You squeeze, you press, you kneading hard, press very hard, okay? Exactly. It works a lot if you're turning a little bit more upset, okay? I know you are in the beach, trying to be angry, it's always working. Exactly. Pressing hard, stretching down, and you're folding in. Press down again. Okay? Step by step, you start to see this turning more sticky. We have to water step by step. Till we absorbing and cleaning out of the table from the flour. Okay?
I think we should use the marching.
Hello everyone, I'm in Taormina. Actually, I'm at Massimo's house, Chef Massimo house. Massimo is the best, one of the most knowledgeable, funny and incredible chef we have in Sicily for a special cookery lesson. It's like a 2-hour cooking class where our friends, the Sicily lovers, will make 5 different courses. And then we will have the dinner all together. They already set the table up and we are looking forward to this incredible meal.
Praying, doing this, while she praying from, so she was like a machine, like a Ferrari car.
We are in Taormina. Look at the beautiful view. The cooking class at Chef Massimo's house is included in all our group tours of Sicily, the Sicily Lovers Tour, and it's highly recommended in your custom private tour of Sicily. Once again, I remind you that a custom private tour is available all year round, and we can customize it according to your special needs. But this is something you can't miss. So feel free to contact us at info@bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and thanks for watching. See you the next one.
Oh my God!
Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily.